these ones, the old ones here, for the Alegance side on the beach, the original ones here, see, it's got a little groove where the clip sits in, the little nub. So the nub, what I mean is this little thing. It gets to sit right into the little nub of piece. Again, sometimes I just don't know what they're called, but the little groove in there, basically. Whereas in the new set of chairs by the pool, unfortunately, the new ones are not very good that way, and it doesn't have that groove to sit in. I kind of wonder why they chose to do it that way with the new chairs when they bought them. Not because they would have known that, but too bad that they had to build them that way. There could have been 100 ways they could have built it so that you can sit against it. Because, as I said in one of my other videos, it's just very dangerous when you lean back too hard. And even, I was told the other day that a small framed woman sat down against it and leaned back, and it went straight back. Even when a small person, oh my goodness, oh, the sun just sticks to the thing. It must have rained last night. No, it did rain last night, I forgot. But it definitely, it's still wet. There's some sand here that's stuck on there. Oh, my butt's going to be wet then. Anyway, it's okay. There we go. More like it.